Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the Matchbox Cars H case. Finally, it's been a good month and a half since the case has come out, and let's just get in here and see what's in it. Been a while since I've done a video and just been busy, but we're going to pump out a few of them here over the next few days. Let's just see what's going on in here. I've seen a few items that's in here, and I'm excited to see what we got. So the card's a little bit bent, and I've noticed that on a few people's videos, so I don't know what's going on. Well, not people's videos, but where they've opened up a few. We've got that Hydro Cruiser again. We've got a recolor in the Volvo wagon, very nice. We got this plower vehicle that changes names quite a bit. Another one of these green Volkswagen Transporter cabs. This one does have the stuff inside. Very cool. Got another one of these jungle crawlers. Very nice piece. There's quite a few carryovers in this case, y'all. Matchbox Sand Racer. Got a new boat here that I've never seen before. H2O glider. Sorry about the glare. Very nice. Looks like it may have a couple turning pieces. That piece may turn. Mazda MX-5 Miata. This guy's pretty cool. Brought them older wheels back we haven't seen on a casting in a while. Very nice. Very nice. Wow, this is cool too. Volkswagen Gti. Red rim. I'm trying to see if there was a new rim. It kind of looked new, but it's kind of a dull. Looks like a dull primer, but it does have taillights, license plate, headlights, grills painted. That's a good piece there. We got this guy again, the X-Canner, which scans big rigs and other vehicles for drugs and stowaways and what have you. Nice. Look at this thing. I don't know if I've ever seen this. Trail tracker. I'm going to do a close-up video on this guy. It's got a motorcycle on the front, y'all. I bet that top pops off. And it's got all kinds of neat things molded in the roof. There's something Snow Ripper. For all you up north folks that run around on snowmobiles, here's the one for y'all. Not for me, well, but I have run some snowmobiles back in the day. We've got two more of the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. That's nice to have. Two more of those guys. Very nice. Running out of places to put them. We got a food truck, Chow Mobile. They changed the name on this again. If you remember what the last name was, make a comment below. Which the vehicle is almost all plastic except for the base. We got the Rainmaker. This is a repeat. I don't know that it's a recolor. I can't remember. It's been too long since the last case. I don't know why Matchbox kind of delays that long, but hey, it is what it is, right? Got two more of these guys. 15 Subaru Wrx Sti. Very nice police car. Love the wheels. Love the tampos on it. Got front, but no rear tampos. Let's do them on the floor. Alright. The Grabber Gulch. Another trash truck. We've seen that one before. Ooh, nice to see this 15 Ram 1500. Very nice. Different paint scheme there. Still has a push bar on the front. It says Utility 51. I'm not even going to try and say the name that's on there because I don't know how to say it. Got this Matchbox Swisher. Very nice. I do like the white wheels. Those would look good on something else. This one here I've heard about. I didn't know it was coming out, but it is really cool. It is called the Glass King. Looks like we're going to have to do a close-up on this guy. But that is really cool. It's a new release that I've never seen before. If it's been out there, like I said, I've never seen it. But that is the conclusion of the 2017 H Matchbox Case. I sure do appreciate you tuning in and checking out this unboxing. And share and tell your friends about me. And appreciate the thumbs up in the comments below. We'll talk to you later.